I don't want chocolate cupcake.
So what should I do? How they make me gain weight, guys. That's how they make me gain weight. Want to put it in the bin? I can eat it. The weapon fashioned against my weight loss journey that is prospering. She's not eating it. Put it in the bin. No, you can eat it. I am eating it. Did I tell you guys I made this hair by myself? Guys, our braiding game is coming up. See, people did not tell me that this is what it takes to be 30 years and above. I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it on YouTube. I'm going to put it on YouTube. Guys, how you doing? Long time no see. You guys, what's going on? How are we? What's happening? So I thought to catch up with you guys on my life lately. Hey, it's been amazing, guys. I've graduated from grad school and I'm working. I started working like full-time, not like my visa has changed, but you know, it's categorized holiday, so I can be able to do more hours now, no longer 20. You can see from the look on my face that I'm stressed. Yeah. I'm stressed, guys, but it's fine. It's okay. So today I have a couple of things to do. I just finished taking the kids to school. I went to African market to buy water leaf and banga paste, a couple of other things. I have an order that I need to deliver today. I'm cooking banga soup with afang soup. See how I'm thinking about it. My memory waiting to happen. These 30s. People did not tell me that this is what it takes to be 30 years and above. Like, is it? I don't know whether it's a thing with being 30 and above, or is a thing with. Please let me avoid this. My background. Their background is even affecting me. Please just ignore it. So I don't know if it's a thing about being above 30 or it's having kids, but my memory, God help me, I really need to do a lot with my diet, because I know that will help me a lot with, you know, memory loss and all. It's not like I'm having memory loss, guys, but you know what I'm saying. Like, I'll be saying something and I will forget. Like, it's that bad, guys. So I have an order to deliver today, and no, Jasmine, don't. Why keep food on the table? You have your plate. Why keep food on the table? Why?
I don't have a plate.
Please go and put it in your plate. I beg you. I just wiped this table now. Please. Okay? Okay. Alright, guys. So I'll carry you guys along. I want this vlog to be as short as possible. I need encouragement from you guys. Please like my videos, watch my videos, share my videos. I've been having very poor views on YouTube and it's very discouraging, but I've come very far that I won't let that stop me. I'll continue to do what I'm doing, but I am actually asking you guys to please like my videos, watch the videos, and you know, share the videos, please. It's going to go a long way to, you know, tell YouTube that something is happening on this channel, and YouTube will promote my channel. Okay? All right. So let's cook. I'll be cooking a lot today, so you guys cook with me, okay? Jasmine, you want to show your face? Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my channel. Did I tell you guys I made this hair by myself? Guys, our braiding game is coming up. See, I made this beautiful hair by myself. And yes, as I was saying, I have been trying to get myself to start cooking, but somehow I've just been off. My mood has been off. I'm really tired, but the show must go on. I have an order that I must deliver today. A bowl of banga stew and also a bowl of afang soup. So I've tried to prep a few things that I will need to make the cooking easier for me. Let me show you guys. I have dried fish. This dried fish scattered when I was washing it. This is stockfish, both the body of the stockfish and the stockfish head all inside here. This is water leaf. I was supposed to use fresh water leaf, but when I went to the African store, I didn't see fresh water leaf today because of the however, they gave me this offer for frozen water leaf. Yeah, so this frozen water leaf is £2 each, and I bought 4 of them, which kind of makes sense. I hope it works as much as the fresh one. I've used frozen water leaf before to cook soup, vegetable soup for myself, but I've never used it to cook afang. So let me see how it goes. Then I have chicken. I want to make some chicken for the house, and I have some chicken thigh and also some wings. This is the fish I'll be using for the soup. I know that this catfish is for the banga, yeah, but this mackerel, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be doing with them, but I have them anyway. I also have this remaining mackerel I have here from the last time I cooked. It's already smoked mackerel here, and I'll be using this nkunuelus. I'll be using this nkunuelus palm soup base. I've used it before. I'll try it again today. So I'm using 2 of these for the soup. I have this frozen pepper mix. I'm still in between. Is it to cook jollof rice or to just make stew? I don't know which one it is, but there's pepper mix already, whichever one I decide to do. But I want them to have stew in the house. Then there's just plenty things lying around the house. Okay.
Chocolate.
You don't want chocolate? This is how they make me to gain weight, guys. You see?
I don't want chocolate cupcake.
You don't want chocolate cupcake? So what should I do? You see? That's how they make me gain weight, guys. That's how they make me gain weight.
The what?
Do you want to put it in the bin?
No, you can eat it.
I can eat it. Because my stomach is the bin. I can eat it. These children are the weapon fashioned against my weight loss journey that is prospering. She's not eating it. Put it in the bin. No, you can eat it. I am eating it. Lots of assorted meat here. There is there is shaki, there is cow snots, there is cow leg, there is cow ear. Lots of meat here, assorted meat. So let me start cooking a bit. Let me start cooking. Guys, this is fried rice. I usually fry the fried rice, so this is the fried rice. I've not cooked it though. I don't know how to explain. Well, I will explain to you. Let me go and bring my children from school first. I will tell you what I mean. But this is like fried rice. It's not cooked. I'll continue the cooking. So far so good, guys. I've been doing the cooking. I don't understand my mood today. I'm just down, tired, seriously tired. I don't know, I need to rest, so it's difficult for me to. I really wanted to do a vlog, but my creative juices are not flowing at all. I don't even have the patience to set camera and even create content alongside the food that I'm cooking. I'm only doing what I can do, but I'll just try to show as much as I can show. So I have to turn off the gas now and go and pick my kids from school. The banga soup is ready, smelling very nice and very tasty. You need to give it a try, guys. And the fish is also fish in the oven. The fish is in the oven and it's cooking too, smoking it. Then this fried rice here. I still have meat here for the other soup, and I've not prepped the chicken. So I really have quite a lot to do. But then it's past 3 now. I'll go pick the kids from school and I will continue. See you guys. Bye.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm done cooking now. I have like 5 bowls of fried rice. I have afan soup. There is banga soup. I have grilled chicken, stew. You know, at least enough food to last for a while.